Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. I'm here today with Kia's 2020 Forte GT, and I have the manual transmission. First of all, check out the exterior of this guy. It has a very clean look. I really like the front element. I like this tiger nose grille. The orange painted accents within the grille. Looks really clean. Got your nice LED daytime running lights. Now because this is the GT package, you do have the 18-inch alloy wheels. Very sweet look. So there are many different reasons why I'm interested in a manual transmission. In my day-to-day routine, I drive a stick shift. It's a 1996 Subaru, so it's not as awesome as this 2020 Forte. I feel like I'm gonna get a little bit better of an understanding of how this thing handles because it is a stick. Kia really pulled out all the guns with their Forte this year, from the GT to the GT with the GT2 package. The most impressive thing about the Forte this year is this engine. This is the 1.6 gasoline direct injection engine with the 6-speed manual transmission. I've already done a review on the GT with the GT2 package, but it was an automatic transmission. So let's hop into this bad boy and let's see how it handles. When you hop inside, you're gonna notice you have this nice leather steering wheel because this is the GT package. So you have that flat bottom, kind of similar to the Stinger. It's a great design. You got your cruise control on the right, and then you've got your phone calls, and you can control your music on the left. On this 8-inch touchscreen display, you do have your integrated Apple CarPlay, so you can easily navigate between your maps, your music, your text messages, and even your phone calls. And this rear backup camera has the dynamic lines, but it also has the rear cross traffic alert. So if there's a child on a bike coming this way or that way, this vehicle is going to let you know. And then you're not responsible for murder. Below the touchscreen display, you're also going to notice this shelf right here. This is going to be a wireless charging dock for newer iPhones 10s, 11s, and newer Androids. Electromagnetic inductive charging, right in the middle of your car. The back seat is pretty spacious. You also have the same type of seating, leather with a combination of fabric. So combined with your 1.6 gasoline direct injection engine, you have a 6-speed manual transmission that's also further enhanced by a sport-tuned suspension. So let's turn this puppy on. I'm still very impressed with the sound that this car makes whenever you accelerate. All right, let's go. I really like how the stick shift operates. It's very fluid, it's fun, but then the other awesome thing about this stick shift is on your dashboard with your speedometer, you have a nice little readout that tells you if you're not in the right gear. So say I need to shift to 5th gear, it gives me an up arrow with the number 5, so I know that I'm driving properly. Reasons to look at a manual transmission opposed to an automatic one: more affordable, it's easier to impress people because it's cool to shift. It's also a more engaging experience whenever you're driving a stick shift. You're more aware of the car in front of you, and you have to have this hand free so you can't be texting. It makes you more safe, it makes you more responsible, it makes you cooler, and it puts more money into your wallet. These can also be more fuel efficient than an automatic transmission because you're in direct control of all of the fuel that's going to the engine. So that being said, you can save yourself some gas. You have a very nice interior with these leather seats with the GT trim on it. Sporty exterior, sporty interior. I mean, you even have a nice sunroof. This is also a very safe vehicle to drive. You have forward collision warning, rear collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot detection, lane keep assist, you name it. It's most of the Kia DriveWise suite. You have 3 USB ports, one in the center cubby spot, and then you have 2 down below, and one of them is a rapid charging USB port. I am very satisfied with how this thing handles. I was very impressed with Forte's automatic transmission, and now this manual transmission has me even more impressed. Everything about the driving experience in the 2020 Forte GT is very enjoyable. The handling, the get up and go, the technology, the safety, the look, not to mention the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Not many companies have that on the market. It's because they know that their cars are quality, they're gonna last a long time, and they know that you're gonna keep your Kia for a long time, so. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions about the 2020 Kia Forte GT, manual transmission, automatic transmission, something with a transmission, then go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Check back soon for more Kia related content and have a great day. Bye.